I am at our Island in the Sky project, and I wanted to show y'all this flush baseboard detail that we're super excited about. So, one of the things we want to do with this end product is have this flush baseboard detail beautiful. This is what it's gonna end up looking like in the end with this awesome reveal, just like that. But to do that, you don't just slap this thing up there, especially on this house. We're building in the floodplain. And so the main floor is on open web trusses and Advantech subfloor, which once you load the house with stucco, drywall, other materials, naturally is going to deflect slightly in certain areas. We wanted to load the house, get those deflections in their permanent state, and then come back and float the floor so we know exactly where finished floor height is going to be. So once we have our datum, our finished floor height, nice and set and kind of in its finished state, permanent state, we talked to our friends over at TrimText, and they sent us a bunch of profiles to play with. This is what you see here on the bottom of the drywall. Now, a couple of things here. What's going to happen is we're going to get the wood floor installed, and then the baseboard's going to come back in. Okay? And what you don't want, because wood naturally swells and gets smaller with humidity and other temperature changes, you don't want this baseboard to be between a rock and a hard place, right? The rock is the wood floor. The baseboard can't go lower than that. But this floating edge on top is going to eliminate the hard place and allow that wood to slightly swell with temperature and humidity changes. If this was up against this, say this F profile, you'd see this would be between a rock and a hard place. And what's going to happen is that baseboard, as it swells, is going to push up against this, push up against your bead, crack your tape. It's going to look terrible. So what we've done is we use this profile, and we will actually back cut the drywall before it gets installed, the thickness of this vinyl, so that everything is nice and flush and plumb.